Hi, M5731. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Mom and Sir. I'm Marisol V. Atienza, 43 years old. I'm married. I have a three sons, age 18, 17, and 13.
Your religion
Christian,
and your highest education attainment.
BS Ed, undergraduate college.
Okay, since I saw that you have experience being a helper here in Hong Kong, right? Tell me about your experience as a helper in Hong Kong on your first employer.
Cleaning, ironing, marketing, and cleaning the car, and taking care of the kids.
Okay, and you have another experience also on the same country in Hong Kong, right?
Yes,
On your
sir.
second employer. Tell me about your experience on your second employer.
Cleaning, ironing, laundering, and taking care of the twins.
Which is the 4 years old.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then suddenly terminated the contract. Why?
Mutual understanding of grandma.
So mutual understanding
Yes.
of the partner. Okay, and you have another experience also on your third employer, but you are finished contract, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me about your experience.
Laundering, marketing, cleaning, ironing, and cleaning the car.
Okay, how many car do you car wash?
One.
One only. Then you have another employer, your last employer, which is also in 2021 to 2025. You finish on your third employer, 2021, then you find another employer, which is also 2021. You do not go back to the Philippines?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you started to work on your fourth employer, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me about your experience on your fourth employer.
Also, ironing, cleaning, laundering, and cleaning the car and taking care of the kids also.
Okay, since I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes, sir. Willing to.
Okay, but you don't have any experience.
Yes, sir.
So you don't have any idea how to take care of a newborn, but you are willing to learn.
Yes.
Okay. If there is any instances that there's people outside the house of your employer telling that they were a visitor and asked you to go inside of the house and your employer doesn't at home that day, what will you do?
I didn't open the door because my employer didn't allow to open to the outsider didn't.
So if your employer doesn't want you to open the door, if there is any outsiders, you will not open the door.
Yes, sir.
And if your employer doesn't expect any visitors, what will you do?
I will call the police.
Okay, because it's too dangerous to entertain people that your
Yes.
employer doesn't know, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong again?
Because now my three son is college now. He need
They need the financial
yes,
support.
the financial support.
Okay. And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer asks me to sign it again.
So it is okay to you to extend your contract if your
Yes.
employer wants to extend.
Yes, sir.
Okay. For sure you have an idea how to prepare Chinese food, right?
Yes, sir. I know.
Okay. What kind of Chinese food can you prepare?
Steamed fish, steamed pork, beef, cooking beef, chicken curry, pork adobo, and then steamed fish, vegetable, especially the choy sam.
Okay. Okay. Since you have a lot of learning how to cook, you have a lot of experience being a helper in Hong Kong.
Yes,
You
sir.
can understand Cantonese.
Yes, sir. I know. I
You can also
understand.
speak
Yes,
a
I
little.
can speak a little.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar of, it's okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share room with kids.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing jobs as a helper?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to take care of pets.
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of elderly?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or on holiday setup.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is okay to you to learn more in Cantonese if your
Yes.
employer doesn't know how to speak English.
Yes, sir.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
I do my best. Thank you, Mom and Sir. God bless.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Maricel.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.